Hi, welcome back to the third video in the series on Canva. So in the last video, we were able to successfully log in or sign up. And in this video, we'll be focusing on what are templates, how to use them correctly for your project.
So there are a variety of templates available on Canva. There are Instagram stories, posts, Facebook covers, etc. There are personal templates for invitation cards, resumes, postcards, etc. So there are a lot of templates. So first we need to understand why they are different from each other, like what exactly is a template. So for instance, I'll just open this Instagram stories and then I'll also open a presentation template. So as you can see that the Instagram stories, they are lengthier. So this is very suitable for the phone view, whereas the presentations are more suitable for the desktop kind of like applications. So there are a whole lot of templates available for Canva. So there are Instagram stories, Instagram posts, personal, that is invitation cards. To demonstrate this concept one step further, I'll just show you something. So this is like a story that is put on WhatsApp. So this is more suitable for the desktop view, as you can see, but as it has been posted on phone, there are black screens on top and bottom, so you don't want this, it looks very ugly. Such scenarios, one way to do is always choose the templates which are exactly appropriate to your project. So if you're trying to use it on Instagram, then use only Instagram stories or posts. If you're using it for business presentations, then just choose exactly that. So now what if the exact category is not mentioned over here? So in that scenario, at least try to understand whether it is for desktop or whether it is for phone view. So then you can accordingly choose that. If it is for phone, Instagram or Facebook are the best options, or in another case you can use invitations or such things. But for desktop view, always try to use presentation, websites or something similar like that. I hope by now you have got good understanding on which kinds of templates to choose for your project. The reason I'm emphasizing a lot on choosing the correct ones, because if you tend to choose the incorrect ones and then later on if you realize that you have chosen an incorrect one, then porting them from one form to another is like doing a lot of rework, which you should avoid at any cost. So on this note, I'll be ending this video, and in the next video we'll understand what things to be taken care of while using print media kind of templates, and then we'll move to the next section on straight creating Instagram stories.